Hello, my name is Jim Carlson, and I'm a senior engineer here at American Roller. I've been with the company 41 years. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about what goes into making a quality roller. A little analogy I'll start with is when you go to buy tires, you can buy tires that are warranted for 30,000 miles and tires that are warranted for 60,000 miles. Well, what's the difference? They're both rubber. Well, the difference is in the formulations of the rubber compound. Here at American Roller, we have urethane chemists and rubber chemists specifically designing materials for the roller industry that will maximize performance in the industries that they're going into. One of the things that we look at very closely is all the environmental and chemical attacks that it may be subjected to along with pressures. When we're looking at rollers, we're looking at the full application as to what the roller is going to be subjected to. Not only the physical pressures and whatnot, but as far as any heat, chemistry that the roller may be subjected to. There may be special bonds required for high pressures, or then we get into maybe some of the more exotic type materials for a higher temperature. In addition to that, we also look at the bond strength of the rubber to the core, and we have different bonds for all those different pressures that rollers could see. After the roller is built in various manners, it could be strip built, shade built, or liquid cast. The roller is machined to tolerances that are warranted or needed for the application. So how do we ensure that that goes out? This is just a quick look at what we do to make sure that the roller we're sending out is a quality roller. One of the properties we measure is what we call TIR, total indicated runout. And in this you can see the dial indicator is moving just about 2.5 tenths. And the roller is measured in 3 places to verify that the roller is in tolerance all the way across. You can see on the ends we're actually running on the bearings so that this relationship of the TIR is to the bearing surface. One of the other properties we look at is what we call taper, and what we're measuring here is any diameter change across the face of the roll. In this case we're using a laser to make sure that we get all the surfaces measured in relationship once again to the bearing surface. The final property we look at is the surface finish of the roller. In other words, how smooth the roller is. What really goes into making a quality roller, all the way from the materials to the final quality measurement.